Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to switch your Instagram account back to a personal account. This is useful if you no longer want the business or creator features and just want a simple private profile again. Don't worry, none of your posts, followers, or messages will be deleted. Everything stays the same. Go ahead and open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. A menu will slide up from the bottom, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll until you see Business Tools and Controls or Creator Tools and Controls, depending on which type you're using. Inside that section, look for Switch Account Type. Tap it and you'll see the option to switch to personal account. Tap that and Instagram will ask you to confirm. Just tap Switch to personal account one more time. And that's it. Your account has now been changed back to a personal profile. You'll still have all your posts, all your followers, and your usual profile features, just without the business analytics and professional dashboard. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.